So in this section, we're going to go through what the ethos is with the Drop 2 Sizes program. Now, what we mean by ethos is this isn't just kind of talking about mindset, kind of willy-nilly. This is like really setting out the map and the reasons why you're doing this. So our kind of ethos, which we want you to take on board, is to initially write down why you're doing this. So by writing down why you're going to do it, it's setting it in stone, really, of why you want to do it. So, for example, well, the name of the program is to drop 2 sizes. If that's why you want to do it, then that's great. If your reason is a little bit deeper, say you want to do this so you're going to be more confident going to social events, parties, looking right in a bikini, then write it down. But always look for the deeper reason as to why you're doing it, not just to lose 2 clothing sizes. I hope that makes sense. The next thing you want to be doing is understanding what it will mean to you. So, you know, once you've dropped the 2 sizes, once you're standing there in your bikini or in the dress you want to wear at Christmas or wherever you're going, you know, what's that going to mean to you? Does it mean that you might get back into a good relationship? Does it mean you might fix a relationship? You know, really try and dig deep and write down what this is actually going to mean for you personally. The next thing is really try and understand and get kind of real with yourself about where you are. So let's not try and sugarcoat all this. You know, let's get real and accept where you are and take responsibility for why you are where you are. So if you've been eating really badly and you know you need to sort it out, then let's take responsibility for that, but let's accept where you are and move on. Let's not worry about it, but no more excuses. You're doing this to get the results, and you paid the money, and you're doing the program, you're doing the challenge, you want to challenge yourself. So let's accept where you are and let's get the results. Okay, so your action points now are, we need to get you taking actual physical photos. So what we need you to do is take full-length photos of yourself, get someone else to do it, or set a timer up on your phone that'll take a photo without you having to touch it. And we want you to be standing head on, like I am, one to the side and one from the back. So that's 3 photos we need you to take. This is going to do 2 things. It's going to make you realize, you know, visually where you are right now, but don't worry, because the whole reason of this is to get results. So don't worry about what the photos look like. And it's also going to give you a transition as well. So your before photos and your after photos, you're going to put those together. And also we need those for if you're entering the challenge as well. So if you want to win the challenge at the end, you're going to have to put your photos in, because we're going to pick the winner based on who's put the most effort in and who's made the biggest transformation within the Drop 2 Sizes program. All right, so now we've got all that out of the way and you know why you're doing this, we need to take your physical measurements. So what we've done is we've made it really simple for you. We've designed you a results tracker. So it's all laid out really simply of where you need to measure. So what you need to do is, when you're taking measurements, always go for the biggest area of that area of your body. So for example, on the biceps, always go for the biggest area, not the smallest near the shoulder or near the elbow. Always go for the biggest area on that specific muscle. Same with your legs. So obviously on your thighs or on your stomach, always measure the biggest area. And then when you remeasure, always go for the biggest area again, and that'll give you a very accurate result. All right, so now we've got all that out of the way, we need to get you all prepared with your tracking documents. So you will have your results tracker, which is tracking your measurements on your body. We've also got your workout tracker that's going to track your workouts and your mood, so you know you're progressing with those as well. And also your meal planner, so your 1400 calories cookbook, which you need to get prepared with as well, because, you know, like everything we do, nutrition is really key with this. We need you to get really focused on this. This is probably the most uncomfortable part. So not everything is fixed with training sessions. So the reason why we want you to get prepared with this so much is because we basically want you to do the hard work. You know, the hard work is not in the gym. The hard work is getting your nutrition right, getting your lifestyle sorted. That's where the results are going to come, okay? So make sure you get that sorted.